Uh, Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to transfer data from AWS S3 bucket to GCP cloud storage bucket. So to do this particular process, we need to follow the below steps. First, we need to create a bucket in AWS cloud. After that, we need to create one IAM user in AWS cloud, and we need to provide storage admin access to that particular user. After that, we need to generate access key for that user, secret key for that user, respective IAM user in AWS cloud. After that, we need to shift to GCP cloud storage, and we need to create a bucket there. Once we are done with these buckets, we need to go to storage transfer service in GCP, and we need to provide all source and destination buckets, and we need to run this particular job. To do this particular process, we need two clouds. One is AWS cloud, other one is GCP cloud. Let's jump into the practical demo session. If you see on the console, like I have my AWS console here. This is my console where I can create a bucket. So this is my first thing. You should have this AWS S3 bucket access. Next, you need to go to identity and access management from the same AWS cloud. This is your second thing. And you should have access to Google Cloud storage to create some buckets. So these are all the three things. Along with that, you also should have storage transfer service in GCP console. So we are going to use all these particular things one by one. So first, what I need to do as per these particular notes, we need to create a bucket in AWS cloud. Let me do that. Go here. Just here in AWS code, we have one option called create a bucket. So what I need to do, just click on create bucket. Once it allows, just you need to provide the respective bucket name. So here I'm going to provide AWS bucket 2025. Just give it some meaningful name here. So once the bucket is done, so no need to do anything. Just click on create bucket. So it will take some time. It is showing that this bucket is already exists. So let me give some other name here. Yeah, just give this particular name. So it is also exists already. Let me do some meaningful name here. So this is my bucket. I need to create in AWS cloud. Let me create my bucket. My bucket is ready. Now what I need to do, just I need to go inside this particular bucket. Let me click on this particular bucket. I need to upload one particular object here. This object I will be transferring to GCP cloud. Okay. So let me upload one particular object here. So click on add files here. After that, upload some image. So I'm going to take this particular image. If you see here, image got uploaded. This is the image 11.jpg. Okay. Now go back to the bucket. Okay. Because I need this bucket info, right? Just copy this particular bucket name, AWS bucket. Come to our notepad. Just paste the bucket here. This is my bucket name from AWS. Now what is the second step? I need to create one IAM user in AWS. Let me do that. So go back to identity and access management in AWS cloud. In this IAM here, you need to see the respective users. So click on users. After that, it will take to you this particular page, create user. Let me create one particular user. So you need to provide user name. So I'm going to give some meaningful name. Let me type here. Just I'm going to give one username like Ramesh. Just to provide access to the console. Just click on this particular user. Okay, just click on this. Now this one. Just simply provide the username. That's it for now. And just click on next. So here what we need to do for this particular user, we need to attach some policies. So what I'm going to do, just click on this attach policies directly. Here I'm going to provide full access to this particular user. So I'm going to select S3. I'm just giving S3 full access. Just copy this particular option, come down, click on next. Okay. Once it is done, you need to click on create user. So this particular user will be having S3 storage bucket full access. Okay. So user is created with name Ramesh. I have given this particular full access for this user. Now I need to create the access key and secret key for this particular user. Just click on this particular user. Okay. Just come down. Just you need to provide the security credentials for this particular user. Just click on this security credentials. Come down. Here we need to provide access key. Okay. For this particular user, I need to create access key. Just click on create access key. So just I'm selecting one use case for command line interface. I need to use this access key and secret key. Just select that and confirm this and just click on next. So just to create the access key. So this is the access key and secret key for my user Ramesh. So select this access key, just store it in a notepad. Like this is access key for my user. What is the secret key? Just go back here. Select this particular secret key. Okay. Paste this here. Once this is done, click on done. That's it. We are done with the following things. Like I created a bucket in AWS Cloud. That is done. So this is my bucket name. First step is done. Next thing is I created one user with name Ramesh. I have got the full access, storage admin access to that particular user. That is also done. Next, I created access key and secret key for that particular user. This one also done. So I copied and pasted the IAM access key and secret key for that user. So this step is also done. Next, what I need to do? I need to create a bucket in GCP cloud storage. So my next step is I need to shift to GCP cloud storage under this Google Cloud Storage Service, just to create one bucket. So once you click on create bucket, it will show some options here. Just give some name. We want to shift data from AWS to GCP. So just I am going to give this particular here. This is my bucket name, meaningful name. I want to shift data from AWS to GCP. Come down and just create this particular bucket. This bucket is created. Just to copy the bucket name for the future reference. So this is my bucket name. So all my data will be transferred into this bucket after we run that particular storage service job. So create the bucket in cloud storage. This is also done. Just copy that particular bucket name. This is a bucket name. What I need to do? I need to go to storage transfer service in GCP and I need to provide all source bucket and destination bucket details. After that, I can run this particular job. Let me do that. This step is done. Next, what I need to do? In same GCP cloud, we have one more other service, storage transfer service. So here I need to create one transfer job. Click on create transfer job. After that, it will ask the source type. What is my source type here? I need to provide Amazon S3. This is my source. I need to copy data from S3 bucket. That's why you need to select this one. After that, destination is my Google Cloud Storage bucket. So I want to transfer data from Amazon AWS S3 to GCP Cloud Storage. This is also done. Just scheduling mode. At present, I'm going to select only batch mode to show this. Just click on next step. Here, what we need to do, we need to provide the bucket name of the source. So what is my bucket name? So already we copied that bucket name here. Just copy this bucket name for the AWS. This is my source. Come back here. Keep the bucket name here. That's it. So remaining things are not required. But here it will ask this particular AWS access key and storage key. It will ask because we need to provide the respective credentials. Then only it will work. So I need to provide the access key. So how to provide the access key? Just copy the access key from here and put the access key here. That's it. Next, I need to provide the respective secret key as well. Just copy the secret key. Okay, paste the respective secret key here. That's it. So we are done with the second step. Next, click on next step. Here, what I need to do, I need to provide my destination bucket. What is the destination? GCP Cloud Storage bucket. So go to Notepad, copy that particular bucket. So this is my bucket. Copy this bucket, go back here, provide the bucket details here. Click on next step. It will ask when to run job. Just run once for showing purpose. Just I am going to click on next. That's it. Just click on create this particular job. After this, what we need to do, just click on this particular job. This job got created. Just click on this particular job. Okay. Before I run this particular job, before I transfer, let me make sure that what is the data in my particular buckets. So if I refresh the screen here, in this particular bucket, I have one 11.jpg image. Once I run the job, this particular image will be shifted to my GCP Cloud Storage bucket. Currently, if you see here in my AWS to GCP 2025 bucket, there is no data here. Once I run the job, that data automatically shifts from AWS to GCP Cloud Storage. Let's go back here to the job details. So I'm going to give a run here. Just click on this run. It will take some time to run this particular job. So operation is in progress. Just wait for 2 to 3 seconds. So this particular job is successful. Just click on this operations tab here. Go and click on operations. What it is showing? This particular transfer job, it is successful. What is the status of this job? Success. So when it is the start time? Today, October 13 and all. So what is the progress? It is 100%. Data transferred from AWS to GCP. Almost 800 kilobytes of data. It is one particular file. Okay, what is the speed it took? It took almost 38.99 kilobytes per second. So now we go back and check our AWS, GCP Cloud Storage bucket. So let me refresh this particular screen. Once I refresh, you will see one 11.jpg object here. Let me refresh. Here, this particular image got transferred from AWS Cloud to GCP Google Cloud Storage, this particular bucket. This is how we can transfer or migrate data from one cloud storage bucket to another cloud storage bucket. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel, like the channel. Thank you everyone.